Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change calendar alerts sound on the iPhone. So what you want to do is to go to the settings and then go to the sounds and haptics. Once you are here, you want to click on this one and then search for calendar alerts. So this is this one. Just click on it and here you are going to be able to choose from the tones that Apple gives us. Also, you can go to the classic to find even more tones, and also you can buy a tone from a tone store. And how to do this, we have another video about that on our channel, so be pleased to search for this video and get to know how to buy something from tone store. After buying, you can click download all purchased tones and you are going to be able to find them right here in this section. So once you choose the one that is good for you, you are going to click on it. The sound is going to be played, and once you have a tick next to a specific sound, this means that this one is set from this time and this is going to work. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!